Hi guys, welcome back to Sadler Up Nails, day 4 of our 12 days of Christmas nails, and I am going to show you how you do this sweater design that seems to be trending these days. It is with gel. I have yet to figure out how to do this with regular polish, but I am trying. I'm thinking maybe with some matte top coat and some layering, you might be able to still get the same effect. So if I do figure it out, I will obviously post a tutorial on that one. We are starting with Bioseaweed Gel's Winnipeg, and we are just applying a couple of coats here. It is a one-step gel, therefore it does cure to a shine, and it does not have a dispersion layer. Therefore, you do not need a top coat for this polish. Always before curing, if you do happen to get any gel flooding into the cuticle, you are going to want to remove that 100% or else you will get lifting, and you could also get what is called contact dermatitis. And that is something we 100% do not want to develop. And before I cure it though, we are going to drop on some clear acrylic powder, and that gives you the textured effect for the sweater. Once you are satisfied with that and you no longer see any shine left, you're going to cure the nail and then bring it back out and dust it off after you've cured. I dusted the acrylic off after I cured the nail. You're not going to want to do that beforehand, or you're going to completely mess up what you did. So now after that, we are going to paint in our sweater design. I'm going to start off with 2 vertical lines, and I started with my nail facing me just so I could see where the center of the nail was, and then I flattened my hand out to finish off the 2 stripes with my striping brush. Once you are satisfied with your stripes, before curing the nail, you're going to come back in with the clear acrylic powder, and you're going to drop that on again and then cure. Brush off the excess acrylic powder and then continue on with your design. The next brush I'm using is a little detail brush. It's the Accents number 2 detail brush, and I'm going to paint in the little sweater detail. This is the way I like to do it. I see some people doing a little S figure. I find it's easier if you just paint 2 lines beside each other, and then after you'll see how I connect the lines to make the little S. This is the simplest and easiest way to do it. We want to work smarter and not harder. Remember that always. Here you see how I now then simply just add a little diagonal line connecting the one line to the next to make the little S. Because I find when you're trying to draw an S, like squiggly lines are a lot harder than straight lines, like little straight lines, you know what I mean? So yeah. Especially when you're trying to be consistent, like try to make 2 consistent S's versus 2 consistent straight lines. Like that's what I'm trying to say. So then before you cure that, you're going to drop in your acrylic powder. Again, it's the same steps. It's pretty much the same steps over and over again, really. Yeah. Like the video now, guys, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, because we do got a lot more to go with the Christmas designs. And then I think after that, I might do a countdown to New Year's nails, where you'll see a lot of 2020s and a lot of glitter. Who doesn't love glitter? We all love glitter. After you cure, wipe that off, and you are done. Sweater weather. If you don't have one-step gels, you can always use a top coat that does not have a dispersion layer. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.